Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the language for Pinocchio. In order to do so, first off, if you are on Pinokio, then you can go up here to the Settings tab. However, if you click on that, then you are going to see that there are no specific language options here for Pinocchio. That means that you're going to have to update the language options for your system itself. If you want to do that, then what you can do is if you're on a PC, then you can go into the search option and just type in language. And you'll see that you have the language settings for your system that will show up here. You can go ahead and click on that there. And then from here, you can see that you can change your language. Right now, it is defaulted to English. However, if you click on that, then unless you have an additional language set up there, then you're actually going to need to add a language. So you're going to go have to click on here, add a language. And then from here, you can either scroll through the many different languages that are listed here, or if you type something here, let's just go ahead and type Spanish, and you'll see that you have a variety of options here to choose from. So you can go ahead and click on any of those, select next, and then that will add that to your languages here. And then from here you can click that drop down and you can select the language that you wish, and that will change the language settings for Pinocchio. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.